All right, hi everyone. Today I will show you the Omate T1. I will make a quick unboxing and show you the main function of the T1. And here it is. Remove this part to access the charging cradle, so the USB charging cradle. Whatever way you want to set it, you know, there are both ways. You can set it like that, set it like this. It will work both fine. There will be also a bunch of user manuals that you probably won't read, so that's why I will show you more how to use it now. So here is the main watch face. You just need like to long press of 3 seconds to change it. All right, and then you can swipe that way to select the watch face you want. Let me select that one, I like that one. From down to up, you will find your notification. But we swipe that way, it will turn on the heart rate monitor. Then your sleep tracker, the pedometer, and finally the temperature sensor, which is the main selling point of the T1, to check your body temperature anytime, anywhere. You just press the menu. The first thing you will see is sports. So you have like all your main information about, you know, about the watch and settings. So of course you can do find my phone, you can check your music, you have a timer, a stopwatch, an alarm, and all the main sensors are here. So now let me show you how I customize the dashboard of the Omate app to connect with the T1. The first information is your step counter and more importantly, the temperature. So it will follow me all day long. So every hour it will take automatically the temperature. Here you can set your goals. I can change as I want the steps, the distance, the calorie, the sleep that I want to reach, my weight and body fat that I want to, and then I just have to save. But now all about sports. So you can select your own sport according to what you are doing. So let me do, for example, I will do like an outdoor walk. So you can see immediately it will turn on the timer. It will take my heart rate always on during the exercise. Now if I want to stop, I just press here, I swipe, and I end the workout. Then the data will automatically be sent to my dashboard.